Just want to show you what I've been doing since I have been following your plan. So let's start with all that used to be packed up with things that I was stocking, and I'm selling everything. I'm about to do this garage sale. It's my second garage sale, and now I'm selling even food. Yes, I am. Got my everything that I packed. I'm selling everything for $1.50. And some of this, I sure am. Look at this. Look at this. Melissa, thank you so much. If it wasn't for the plan, I would have been planning to stay where I was not happy, not comfortable, but I had my choices were, limited due to income. Not enough income to live. If I was going to be here, somewhere where I felt safe from, potential issues, And if there wasn't, I still wanted to live in a better situation, but I wasn't. You know what I mean? I'm just, LA. But now, my dream came true, and that is to leave the country. And I'm able now to leave the country. Why? Because of the plan that is, it flows. Like, I know exactly what to do. I know how to pack. I know what, what services I have to approach. Nothing is a wonder, and especially them ends. So thank you. It's beyond what I imagined, what I thought I could do if I did leave, because I was thought about going to Jamaica and just working out there, trying to figure it out. And then I was like, but now, like, I have a job, not only waiting for me, that starts now, that's helping me relocate. So thank you. And yeah, I'm selling everything, girl. I'm selling my dog, this weird shit. Everything. I mean, everything. Like, I got my apartment, like, already knowing where I'm going to live, and man, just thank you, sis. Thank you. Hi, this is Queeny. So I just want to tell you how excited I am about my apartment in South Africa. My journey has been peaceful. I decided to come out here a while back ago and didn't know how. And so thanks to Melissa giving me a plan that worked, right? So I got my place. I'm not showing it to you right now. I will show you the property though. It's bomb diggity. That sounds like an old school Cali, and it is. Okay. It's great restaurant, yada yada. It's really pretty. But my apartment is getting together. It's still being decorated because I'm like, I like these other colors. So they are working with me, which I'm really glad about. That was really sweet. The background. But yeah, let me show you more of the background. It's popping. And then, you have the great gym, which I love. Anyway, but yeah, so my journey has been very prosperous, very peaceful, And again, really because of the plan of action, direction, because as you know, as being a woman, we want some sort of security. We're not like these, never mind them. Forget about it. Anyway, so thank you again, Melissa, and I'll show you my apartment. Here, 3 of us, boat, dare to get on the canoes. So I'm just floating. I was doing the paddle. Got my little paddle. See how they paddle? See how they paddle? I'm just chilling. I just want to sit here, pretend I'm in the ocean. It's like a lagoon, built-in lagoon. The sand with like little things, see, like back there. It's really fun. Anyway, just want to show you.